repeat your question?
My second question is, how many challenges did you face before entering class?
Okay, generally I didn't face two or one challenges. I faced many challenges. So my youth challenge was about speaking and confidence, lack of confidence. So if I want to say in two lines, so it was my biggest challenge, and how I overcame that because of one thing, that is my future thinking. What will be my condition in future? And yesterday I gave speech, so there also I managed this point. What will happen in future? What if you couldn't learn English? You can't learn English. So if the basic, now I am in 9th standard. Now my 10th will come. Boards will be there. So I should not get less percentage because of that. And I should not get rejected from interview. So for that I want to become I want to learn English. And it was my biggest challenge of speaking and lack of confidence. But after 2 years I overcame that, and definitely I can say now I am English confident.
Second question is, how you overcome the English?
About overcoming English, it is very tough. First of all, if you want to overcome your challenges, so in 2 months or 2 years you have to wait, not 2 days or 2 minutes. So problems will never say yes I am coming in 2 minutes and it will come. No, it will come definitely, but after some time they will give you messages, I am coming now, be prepared, be ready. Definitely not. That challenge came unexpectedly. So definitely you should be prepared for that, and you should know how to overcome that challenges. And how I overcame that, I said now also, that just because of practice and because of my efforts. Because without doing these two things, definitely I would not learn many things from this class, from students especially, that I got learning from every student. Now we are doing this interview, so everybody can't do this. If I will ask any student or any public, please make one video or speak with us in public 2 minutes in English, they will not speak. They will not speak in Marathi. Why? Because there is lack of confidence, there is less of confidence. So that's why they can't learn English. And definitely, but courage we should have always. That is that mentality we should have. This is not our 100%. How to use this 100% we should know. So definitely, and it's my answer. Nice question, Ritika. Very serious question. Definitely, I am getting here that environment we can call it. That because of that, I am learning now also. Had you heard that one line is there, Shamla said, in I think last lecture he said, the day I stopped learning. So the day I said I know everything, so I will stop learning. Had you heard that? Right. Definitely. So if I think I know everything in my life, सब कुछ पता है, but after finishing college I don't know everything. So that knowledge will be wasted because I don't know how to present that in front of public or in front of college. So that knowledge is not valuable or useful for me. So about my transformation, so now I can speak in public. It's my huge transformation because now my that much bad condition was there. I can't speak Marathi even with two students. One incident I want to share here, that is about when one man was there. No, my friend was there and he was speaking Marathi with me and in front of my relatives. So I can't speak. I was shy. I like to be shy. I mean silent. In that much I can't speak in front of public. But at home everybody are like loyal. So yes, like that my condition was. But definitely after joining class I got this improvement to I can speak in public also. I had not got chance to present myself on grand finale, but that day I realized you should never cry. That day I cry a lot that I didn't get opportunity, and even before also I had not participated in grand finale. So it was my first grand finale for me, but I didn't perform because chances were very low. I was at village. But then also I tried to come, and my sister said that one line, if you can't present now, so in future thing I will present more effectively. So that line hits me, and for that now I am preparing, and definitely it's my huge transformation. I can speak with everyone now in class students, not with well qualified. More than 10 interview I took with well qualified, and who had taken interview of well qualified, they can understand very well. It's not joke to take interview of well qualified persons.
Third question is that when you understand to make videos, it's very beneficial for us.
Very nice question. That I'm not remembering the proper date when I started video, but one thing I got, that is, I think VVIP fast was there. Now what is VVIP fast? Not one day we have to only on Friday we have to follow. Whole week we have to follow that. 21 days, I think 21 days or 7 days it was there, and that whole month or week I followed fast, and by that I got fluency first of all, and by that seriousness. And why I was doing VVIP fast, because in anyhow I want to participate in grand finale, so that's why I was performing, I was making videos. But after that I stopped after VVIP, and when team started, I again started making videos. Why? My mindset was not clear. I was thinking, yes, our team should win, fighter should win in anyhow. But after that, one man came in my life that changed my mindset. That is Shyam Dada, and one of my favorite, Akshay Dada, and I think Kajal ma'am. Kajal ma'am is the anchor who always motivates us in grand finale, in motivation session, in parents meeting. So I learned from him. If they can speak, in Marathi, they are from Marathi background, Marathi medium, so they can very well English. So why I can't speak English that much? So after that I also started to learn, so that seriousness I got. And winning is not now, if our team lose, so definitely I will not feel bad for my team. So you should also not feel. Why? Because every time we will not win. That India participate many times in World Cup, ICC Men's World Cup. So every time they won trophy? No, definitely no. Only 2 times that won, I think, ICC Men's Trophy. First by Kapil Dev and second by MS Dhoni. And this time we were supposed to win that trophy. But in last, what happened? That teamwork was not there. I think so. Teamwork was not there. That's why. So always there should be teamwork. And if we fall also, so no one will give us hand, and it will grab our hand and it will pick up us. One thing we have to understand in our life journey, after that being a part of our family, of our life, no one will be with us. They are temporary. Who's temporary? Everyone are temporary. If money is there, friends are there, class is there. Now class will be temporary for me. After 12, I will left. After that I will left, and I will start my journey. So if I want to become successful, only the one path, and I will be the alone on that path. So yes, definitely. And from that seriousness, I started making videos, and now also I am consistent, not to win the game but to participate in the game. So yes, definitely it's your questions are. So thank you Vedant and Ritika for taking my interview, and it's unique experience for me, because many people have taken my interview but single, not double like that, and I got some experience. How can I perform? How can I give rapid answers? And that UPSC, that IS will ask me questions, interviewer. So definitely I got some knowledge also, and how can I give rapid answers to you, means to them. So it's my activity, and I learned many things from this, and it was a great experience for me. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you so much.
Thank you.